नमस्कार. इयत्ता 10वी गणित भाग 1 सेमी इंग्लिश इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन फॉर 4 marks. Hot questions. The area of a rectangular field is 420 meter square. Suppose its length is increased by 7 meter and its width is decreased by 5 meters. Then the area remains the same. Then find the length and breadth of that field. There are three consecutive even natural numbers such that the sum of the square of the smallest number and the product of the remaining two number is 277. Find that number. Question number 3. The height of a right angle triangle is 49 centimeter more than its base. Its area is 330 centimeter. Find the length of the hypotenuse of that triangle. If the speed of a car is reduced by 10 km per hour, it covers a distance of 300 kilometers in 1 hour more than before. Find the previous speed of the car. Next question. The speed of a ship in a slow water is 12 km per hour. A ship travels 36 km upstream and reaches its original position upstream again after 6 hours 24 minutes. Calculate the flow of velocity. The speed of the current is less than the speed of the ship. The length of a rectangular field is 10 meter more than twice its width. Its diagonal is 5 meter more than its length. Then find the area of the field. The perimeter of a right angle triangle is 40 centimeter and the difference between its right angles is 7 centimeter. Find its side. The area of a rectangular field is 4,000 meter and its perimeter is 260 meter. Find the length and width of the field. If the product of 4 consecutive natural numbers is 540, find those numbers. One diagonal of rhombus is 4 cm longer than the other diagonal. If the area of the square is 96 cm, what is the length of each side of the square? A man travels 60 km on a bicycle in the direction of wind and returns to the place where he started in 8 hours. If the speed of the wind is 10 km per hour, find the speed of the bicycle per hour. One diagonal of rhombus is 4 cm longer than the other diagonal. If the area of the square is 96 cm, what is its length of each side of a square? A car covers a distance of 240 km at a certain speed. If the speed of the car is increased by 20 km per hour, it takes 2 hours less to cover the same distance. Then find the speed of the car per hour. A person starts walking towards the north at 5 km per hour from a place at 7 am. Then after 1 hour, person B starts walking towards the east from the same place on a bicycle at 16 km per hour. After how much time will they be 50 kilometers apart? If the length of a rectangle is reduced by 2 cm and the width is increased by 2 cm, the area of the rectangle increases by 20 cm square. If its length is increased by centimeter and width reduced by 2 cm, decreases by 38 cm square, find the length and width of the rectangle. Two pipes A and B takes 15 hours to fill a swimming pool. After running both the pipes for 12 hours, this pipe is turned off. After that, it took another 4 hours to fill the swimming pool. From this, find how many hours each of the pipes will take to fill the pool. A car covered a part of journey of 555 km at a speed of 60 km per hour. Then the car completed the journey at a speed of 15 km per hour. If it completed the journey in a total of 8 hours, how many kilometers did the car travel at a speed of 60 km per hour, and how much time did the car take to do so? A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the speed of the car was increased by 15 km per hour, then the car would have taken 2 hours less to cover the same distance. And if the speed of the car was decreased by 5 km per hour, then the car would have taken 1 hour more to cover the same distance. Then how much distance did the car cover? Find the probability that a two-digit even number is formed from the digit 2, 4, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Also find the probability that two-digit number is a multiple of 3. The digit of a three-digit natural number are in the arithmetic sequence. Also, the sum of the digit in that number is 18. The number obtained when the order of the digit in this number is reversed by 594 less than the original number. Find the original number. Answer hint: suppose the digit in the unit place of that number is a minus d. The digit in the let's place in the digit in the hundred place is a plus d. A man borrowed rupees 2000 and rupees 340 on it. He repays the interest in 12 installments. He has to pay rupees 10 less at the time of each repayment. Then how much amount he has to pay in the first installment and the last installment respectively? A man pays rupees 305 in the first month to repay a loan of rupees 3250. After that, he has to pay rupees 15 less than the amount paid in the previous month every month. Then how many months will it take that man to repay the loan? If both the taps are turned on, a tank fills 6 minutes. If one tap takes 5 minutes more than the other to fill the tank independently, how long does it take for both the taps to fill the tank independently? The length of a right angle square is 1 more than twice its breadth. If its breadth is double and its length is reduced by 4 cm, their areas remain the same. Then find the dimensions of the given right angle square. The radius of circle is 3 cm more than the radius of another circle. If the sum of their areas is 89 meter square, find the radii of both the circles. Given four numbers are 5, 9, 11, 27. Find a number such that when the first three of these numbers are subtracted from twice the fourth number, the resulting four numbers are in the ratio. The side of a regular hexagon is 1 greater than the side of another regular hexagon if the product of their areas is 243. Then what is the side of both the regular hexagons? A man starts a job with a fixed monthly salary and fixed annual increment. If his salary is rupees 1,500 after 4 years and rupees 1,800 after 10 years, find his initial salary and annual increment. The sum of two-digit number and the obtained by interchanging its digit is 121. If the digit in the unit place is 5 greater than the digit in the 10th place, then what is that number? Thank you.